Hello! Welcome back. Um, well, this is actually kind of one of my first videos. Actually, technically it's my second one about stuff. So, tutorial, yada yada. I'm just gonna show you how to make a highly usable 3D building. What you need is something like a modeling software, an exporting software. Why do I keep raising my hand like that? So we need, and of course, we'll walk through physics. Requirements are 3D modeling software, as you can see here, a 3D export, and a walkthrough software. Okay, we can get into the video now. So, as my modeling software, I thought it would be great to use, well, Blender. As you can see right here, Blender. So all I need is to start modeling, which you can see the model right there. So what you need to do is start making your house. Make it a good house, not a bad one. You know, so when we start getting our house done, we could... I really need to stop raising my arm. So I could just resize this, and then again resize it. I'm getting way too close to the camera again. So once you have your base for your building, then you can start doing Control-C and V, and then circle the next one around until it's at the right clock percentage, you know, right around something like that. Yep. So, something. I am very not one with words today. So we model our I really need to test if I'm having something. So once you model your building, you can... that is completely off kilter. Operation. We need to do this operation safely. If I do something wrong, that'll be the end of it. Yeesh, I made that sound so dark. I am not gonna do anything wrong this time. So then, I put it in the middle. Do it right. Just keep on. So, okay, maybe I should stop lifting my arm. Okay, There, for once in my life, I have done it right. Done the thing I needed to do. Right, so is it good? Is it good? Is it all good? Is it? Okay, good. So I'll just rotate the build. Move this window here. And just start getting another one. Control-C and V. Select both, which you can't do apparently. Okay, this might be the crappiest building you ever seen on a tutorial, so we'll just skip to that, please. Okay, so that was very crappy. So I figured out how I'm supposed to build. That was the capture button. Control-C, Control-V. So what you need to do is add a appropriate roof. By that I mean a roof that actually will stay on. Yeesh, I wish I used my favorite software, not just Blender. But people understand this better for some reason. Okay, so we're gonna model Let's just pretend this is a house, okay? Just make it gingerbread, why not? Control CV, transform, turn around the opposite direction. Push it back a little so it connects. Well, congratulations, I just failed the gingerbread house. I can... I just noticed, I just noticed that I could have done better. And this is the... Let's just admire how crappy this looks, see? See? Look at all the crappiness over there. I really should stop saying crap. Okay, it's all right there. It's like all right there. It's just horrible. Okay. Let's try to make it look good. This is gonna... I know you can model better than I am doing right now. I think I'm failing. Well, that's the first. So, let's just pretend that's my house. So we're going on to the exporting section in a couple of now. We're back. We're back. We're back. Okay, we're back. We can see that this right here is not the best. Neither does it even work. But as you can see here, it is very modeled. Let's just go with that, okay? Okay, let's just go with the fact that it's modeled. That will really help our substantialness of... I think I'm botching this video. Okay, well, just be a better house modeler than I am, okay? Just pretend this is like every gingerbread house I made. Not to say they ever came out well. Let's just, since this is going to be going in something that, let's just so here's the exporting. Just choose anything. I was going to choose that. FBX. So, okay, undo. So we have our FBX right here, which you can see clearly is the untitled, let's name it Terrible House.fbx. Let's export it. Okay, that was the end of the tutorial, and since that tutorial, well, you know, I did well, I guess, but it's horrific. It is horrific. This abomination right here, this is good, but you can see it's an abomination. So, why did I do such a poor build? But, well, we have to stick with that. Just disappear my keyboard. So now we're going on to the last part, which was, walkthrough. As you can see here, walkthrough. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's get it over with. There's nothing else to go with. Why am I doing this so bad? Just look at it. Look at this. It is an abomination in front of my eyes. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at making... I am not this bad, but this, I botched. We're gonna make a pizza next. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, here's the exporting segment. I already completely messed up the last other segments. Please, be a better modeler than me. I didn't do that well. So we're using SketchUp at the moment. So I'm just gonna get out my keyboard and I guess start modeling. So then, all you have to do now to test walkthrough, since I'm using, obviously, SketchUp, Google SketchUp, just click your delete key on the model. And then import a model. You know, just click import. So then when you press import, you go into your folder and select, since I exported as Collada, then a Collada file. Okay, so then once you just have to get the model. Don't ask why it's a Collada now. And then wait for it to import. Not be validated because some possibly SketchUp could not. Well, hope this goes well. There we go. So now you have it as a data, basically. All you have to do now is go on to walkthrough, click the inside on test, and then there should be right there. Your eye height should emulate how tall the people should be, I guess. It's not working. Why isn't it working? Could have sworn this would work. I'm trying to think this through. So the model goes like that. So, wait, hold up. I'm trying to figure this out. Oh, what did get? What did get? Hello. Don't ask how much times I just failed right in the middle of that one action. So of course you need. I have zero idea how this works. Do I just, just import the eye height if you can? I can't. Okay then. Wait, hold up! I got something. We could just simply use the pan tool to get up. Okay, just use the pan tool, get up, go as high as you want. You could simply emulate the inside of the house as much as you want. You can have multiple rooms just at your eye height. This is Google SketchUp. It's fairly easy to use. Well, this was a failed video by me. I'm just going to post it because, well, it still works. And have a good day. I'm MP Nekokaku, and goodbye. I should have just went with the other option.